Alright, Bill, I'm just going to show you here what I use this for. This is my remote. I got it set up on the thing here. I got to do start it fast. That way I can kill the power when I want to. But, I take this little, I got this little pad from the internet and a company I deal with. I'm going to show you their website here in a little while. But, they got Velcro on them. They're excellent. I used to make my own, but it's cheaper and better to get them this way. Okay, right now I'm going to start off with 150 grit, you know, because this has a little bit of roughness to it. And I'll show you what I do then. And, whoops, I got to turn it on. I like it a little bit faster. This is a pretty good way to do them too. You can hear it's cutting down, okay? I got it taped off so it can't touch no more of the glass. And to be honest, I think the electrical tape is the best tape I've used so far. The sandpaper goes right over top of it, nice and smooth. Try to keep it wet. This will do it, but I like doing it the other way because it's faster, makes it a lot smoother, and also I can clean the inside while doing it. Now you know, because you sanded cars, you want to get down and past them white marks there. Dry this off. And if you can see white marks, you want to go little white specks in there. You want to go down a little bit further. And your sandpaper will last longer if you wet it. It won't get all clogged up. You can use it over and over and over a couple of times. I'm hoping I'm doing this right for you so you can see it. Okay, that's my first pass. So I'm going to kill my machine just for a minute. I didn't bring a rag over. I'm just going to wipe it off on here. But now you can see I already cut down on it. And it looks like I need to cut down a little bit more in some spots, but I'm just playing around here with you. So what I do then is I go up a lower grade. I don't know what this one is, but I'm just showing you because I'll have to start this one over. So I go up a lower grade, and I get it wet. Now to get it started, and I also spray the bottle. Now you can go right over top of that tape. It ain't gonna rip that tape off. So I'm not going to be able to show you every piece of tape, meaning sandpaper I'm using, because it's like 10 different stages, okay? I'm just giving you an idea, okay? Now usually when you get to 10,000 grit, it's pretty smooth, but some of them ain't, okay? So then I take, so that's when I take, a pad like this, or a felt pad is better first, but I put this on. I made this. You can buy the Velcro. You can buy these pads. You don't want to go bigger in a 2-inch desk. I got 3-inch and everything, and too many mistakes happen. So then I mix up. You can get this on eBay. It's aluminum oxide. You can buy it from the Jar Doctor too. This is the polish. You can get it 1,500 grit. That works good to cut down some. You know, this works pretty good. I mix it as a paste with water. This is a lot better. This is ceramium oxide. They use this on your glasses. Now, if you want a really good shine, mix this up with water like a paste, almost like a paste for cars. You know, because you can use this on car windows too and that stuff. This really will help you out. You got to do a little bit of work with this, you know. And I put it on, and I mix it, you know. I use a paintbrush, and I put it on here, and I also apply some here. And like I said, it's the same process, you know. You just go right up, keep going over top of it. You keep doing it. Now, I've learned that it's better if you do it this way with the paste, and it gets, you know, it don't For some reason, it makes it go faster for me and get shinier. But I'm just showing you this. This is not every step to it, okay? But now, this is another bottle. This ain't the same one I was doing in the other video. This is a larger one. I have to do anyhow. So, but you can see I cut down. Now, if you really want to do it right, I'll be honest with you. I can't find it. I'm gonna have to order another one. But I like using a Holman Stone at first. A wet Holman Stone, very fine one. You can buy them from pocket knives about that long. Get that wet and get the bottle wet and cut that down good first. And then you might have to start with like 300 grit sandpaper, you know. Then you can start with like 300 and build your way up. Believe me, it'll make a big difference in your bottles. Okay, now there's another thing I want to show you. I've already done bottles. You got none right beside me. I'm just going to give you a demonstration. Here's one. Here's a bottle. It's no good for me. But I've already done bottles with scratches in them, deep scratches. You can take that sandpaper and put on here, and you can sand that bottle down. That keep working at that scratch, and like you do on an automobile, taper it as you're going, and taper it out once you get to your real fine sandpaper. Then if you use that polish and keep going over top of that, you'll never know that scratch was in that bottle. And that's all I can tell you right now, Bill, until we figure out some other way of showing you a better video.